Forget everything you thought you knew about smart glasses, because the game just changed forever. While the world was busy looking at Meta and Apple, Xiaomi just dropped a bombshell that might actually make smart wearables part of your everyday life. We are talking about the brand new Xiaomi Smart AI Glasses, a device so sleek, so powerful, and so surprisingly affordable that it's sending shockwaves through the entire tech industry. This isn't just a gadget. It's a vision of the future you can actually wear today. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we dive into the innovations that are shaping our world. Today, we're breaking down why these glasses are the real deal and why the competition should be very, very worried. For years, smart glasses have felt like a gimmick. They're either too bulky, too expensive, or just plain weird looking. But Xiaomi has cracked the code. At first glance, you'd never guess these were packed with high-end tech. Weighing in at a featherlight 40 grams, they are almost the same weight as a standard pair of Ray-Bans. But inside this minimalist frame lies a powerhouse. Looking at the Qualcomm Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1 platform, paired with a dedicated low-power processor. This dual-chip architecture is the secret sauce that allows these glasses to handle complex AI tasks without turning your face into a furnace. But here's the feature that is absolutely melting minds: the electrochromic lenses. Imagine walking from a dark room into the bright afternoon sun. Usually you'd be fumbling for your sunglasses. Not with these. With a simple double tap or a quick slide on the temple, these lenses can shift their tint from crystal clear to deep charcoal in just 0.2 seconds. It's like something straight out of a spy movie. You have 4 different levels of adjustment, allowing you to customize your vision to the exact lighting of your environment. Whether you're working in a dim office or lounging on a beach, in Miami, your eyes are always perfectly protected. Now, let's talk about the AI in AI glasses, because this is where Xiaomi is truly outclassing the field. Integrated directly with Xiaomi's HyperOS ecosystem, these glasses aren't just a peripheral, they are a lifestyle assistant. Using the 12-megapixel Sony IMX681 sensor, the glasses can see the world with you. See a monument you don't recognize? Just ask, "Need to know the calorie count of that croissant?" Point and scan. But the real killer app here is the real-time multimodal translation. Imagine traveling through Tokyo or Paris and having foreign signs, menus, and even live conversations translated right into your ears in real time. It supports over 10 languages with incredible accuracy, turning the entire world into a place where you always speak the local tongue. For the content creators and social media junkies watching Tap Tech, the camera is a game changer. We've all been there. You see something incredible, but by the time you pull out your phone, the moment is gone. With a dedicated camera button on the temple, you can snap 12-megapixel photos or record 2K video at 30 frames per second from a perfect first-person perspective. It's the ultimate POV machine. Whether you're unboxing a new tech drop or recording a hike, the electronic image stabilization ensures your footage is buttery smooth. And because it features a 5-microphone array with bone conduction technology, your voice comes through crystal clear even if you're cycling at 25 miles per hour. It even filters out wind noise. It's making it the perfect tool for hands-free vlog. One of the biggest complaints with the Ray-Ban Meta glasses has always been the battery life. Xiaomi heard you. Despite being lighter, these glasses pack a 263 milliamp hours high-density battery that delivers over 8.5 hours of continuous usage. That is nearly double what the competition offers. And when you do run low, you aren't forced to carry a bulky charging case. There is a discrete USB-C port built right into the temple. You can top them up using the same cable you use for your phone or laptop. A full charge takes less than 45 minutes. And a quick 10-minute juice-up gives you enough power for a couple of hours of music and AI assistance. Speaking of music, audio experience here is surprisingly premium. Xiaomi used open-ear acoustic technology that directs sound straight into your ear canal while minimizing sound leakage. This means you can enjoy your favorite podcasts or take a private business call in a crowded elevator without the person next to you hearing a single word. It creates a private sound bubble while still allowing you to stay aware of your surroundings. Must a feature for anyone living in a busy city like New York or London. But let's address the elephant in the room, the price. In a world where tech giants are asking for $500, $600, or even $3,500 for wearable tech, Xiaomi is launching the standard edition of these glasses for approximately $280. Even the top-tier color Electrochromic version sits around the $420 mark. This is aggressive pricing that makes pro-level wearable AI accessible to everyone, not just the elite. It's a clear statement from Xiaomi. The future of tech shouldn't be a luxury. It should be a tool for everyone. You might be wondering about the catch. Currently, the deepest integration is within the Xiaomi ecosystem, and some of the more advanced Xiao AI features are initially rolling out in select regions. However, with the global push of HyperOS, we are seeing more compatibility with Android and iOS every day. The glasses already support standard Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 6, ensuring they work seamlessly with almost any modern smartphone for calls and audio. So, are the Xiaomi Smart AI glasses the meta-killer we've been waiting for? They certainly have the specs, the style, and the price point to take the crown. They represent a shift from gadgets that do things to wearables that help you live. From the instant translation to the magic tinting lenses, every feature feels intentional and refined. It's rare to see a first-generation product feel this complete, but Xiaomi has clearly done their homework. If you're someone who loves staying ahead of the curve, these glasses are impossible to ignore. They offer a level of utility that makes you wonder how we ever lived without them. Whether you're a student needing quick translations, a professional wanting a hands-free meeting assistant, or just a tech enthusiast who wants the coolest lenses on the block, Xiaomi has built something special here. Thank you for tuning into this deep dive on Tap Tech. We've been tracking the wearable market for years, and this is easily one of the most exciting releases of 2025. But we want to hear from you. Does the $280 price point make you want to ditch your traditional sunglasses? Or are you still worried about privacy with a camera on your face? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the latest in the world of premium tech. We'll see you in the next one.